Welcome to Craftsman India, the world of perfect craftsmanship. We began our journey by partnering with exceptionally skilled craftsmen from a pottery village in Kerala. Today we are incredibly proud that we have grown to support over 200 skilled artisans directly and indirectly from different parts of the county. Every time you bring one of our clay pots into your kitchen, you aren't just upgrading your cookware, you are supporting a craftsman's livelihood and helping us keep a beautiful Indian tradition alive. For a perfect clay pot to be made, choosing the right clay is the most important step of the process. Fresh clay is obtained from untouched marshlands of Kerala, the accurate blend of fine clay particles and sand. Clay is then hand-pounded to attain the perfect consistency and binding. One of our skilled craftsmen make the perfectly rounded brim on a pottery wheel. Partially finished pots are arranged on wooden pallets. This will reduce the moisture content in the clay. Here comes the most important part of the process. An age-old traditional pottery making technique, where partially finished pot is placed on a curved surface and beaten with a wooden paddle. Precise positioning and gentle beating make the perfectly curved base of a clay pot. He then gently smoothens any imperfections. A fine paste of red clay is made and applied onto the surface of the pot. Pot is rubbed inside and out with a pebble stone to give a smooth finish to the surface. The pots are then moved to the kiln for the first round of baking. Pots are baked for 3 days in a closed kiln, baked at a temperature close to 1000 degrees centigrade on wood fire. Red pots finished completing the process. Now it's the turn of black pottery. To attain the perfect shiny back color, red clay pots are stacked together with wood, layer by layer, in a 6-foot pit kiln. Then fired from the bottom of the pit, burning the pots layer by layer at a temperature close to 1200 degrees centigrade. When the fire reaches top layer wood, sawdust is added to generate thick, black smoke. Immediately after adding the smoky fuel, opening of the kiln are completely sealed with mud and ash. Pit remains sealed for several hours. Thick carbon smoke is trapped. The smoke penetrates deep into the pores of the unglazed clay, permanently dyeing the pottery, a deep, rich black from the inside out. Once unsealed, the black pottery is washed and cleaned. At Craftsman India, we season the pots, dipped in natural cornstarch solution. The pores absorb starch and complete the seasoning process. Pots are then dried and ready for quality check. Any imperfections are rejected, and hand-picked good ones are carefully packed. We make sure to deliver pots safe to the buyers. Craftsman India clay pots add health, taste, and a smile on faces of every customer who chooses us.